Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Royal Thai Consulate General in Sao Paulo, Brazil. And the address is Royal Thai Consulate General, A1, Dinamarca 467, Alphaville I, Bari 06474-250, Sao Paulo, Brazil. Contact number is +55 61 3224-6943. So we make these videos presumptively for folks who are seeking Thai visas, and it should be noted that different Thai embassies and consulates have different ways of processing cases. So what may work from an application standpoint in one location may not work the same way in another place. So what works maybe even at an embassy, for example in Brasilia, may not work the same way in Sao Paulo. The other thing to understand is that different categories of visas may or may not be issued by different consulates, as they may or may not have the consular jurisdiction to issue such visas. And finally, it should be noted that different consulates may have differing consular jurisdiction with respect to the length of validity in which they are allowed to grant these visas. So it may or may not be possible to obtain a retirement visa in one location, and even if it's possible, it may only be granted for a 90-day duration, whereas a different location may grant it for a 1-year duration. It may vary from place to place. So if you read information on the internet that it sort of becomes confusing as to what works and what doesn't, don't be alarmed, because different places simply do things differently. And for those who do find themselves confused or possibly overwhelmed at the whole prospect of seeking a Thai visa, it may be a good idea to go ahead and contact a legal professional in order to gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.